In this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture in Spotify. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to open your Spotify profile, upload a new image, and update your account so your profile looks more personal. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Spotify and tech tutorials. Now, I will be using the Spotify app to do this, but the steps are the same if you do prefer to use the Spotify web player. To do this, what you want to do is, of course, open up Spotify and log into your account. Once you've done that, come and click onto your profile icon just up here in the top. And then what you want to do in this menu is click onto profile. Now, from here, you're going to see your profile, and all you want to do is click here where it says choose photo. You can do this to upload a new image or change an existing image. Once that's done, this is going to open up your computer's file explorer, which you can use to upload an image to use as your profile picture for Spotify. So what I'm going to do is just use my channel logo. So I'm going to add that here. You can also change your profile name from here as well if you want to. And once you've done that, just click on to save your changes. And as you can see, my profile picture has now been changed. So that is how to change profile picture in Spotify. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.